Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I have a Chanel bag unboxing to share with you. This is the first Chanel bag I've bought in quite some time. This year I've been mostly focused on Hermes. I think it's the first Chanel bag I've bought in 2024, but this one is pretty special, and it is from the 24K collection, the fall winter collection that just launched. So I'm going to get right into the unboxing, and then I'll kind of explain why I chose this bag. So here we go. This is a true unboxing. I just picked this up from the launch. The collection just launched here. And it seemed that this bag is a pretty popular one in this collection. I think there were a few people there on launch day looking for it. Okay, so here is the dust bag. Oh, here's this. I think this is the first time I'm getting this because this is new. I'll look at that after. All right, to reveal. Okay, and it's wrapped up, but you can see what it is. It is the Shearling flat bag. And I got it in the just the regular size, I guess. There's this size and then there's the mini. So this is the one with 4 grommets. The mini just has 2 grommets, so the chain can't be doubled up like it can on this one. So this is it. It is so cute. I've always wanted a Shearling bag, and that's basically why I chose this one. I just think this one is so cute. It really resembles a classic flap, but it is Shearling with the quilting kind of shaved into the Shearling, which is really neat. It has the brushed gold hardware, and then it has the brown lambskin. I love how it has the CC on the inside of the flap. And I believe the chain is thicker on the on this size than on the mini. I think the mini has a thinner chain from the pictures I've seen. I didn't actually see the mini. So this one is made in Italy, and it's just one big compartment. It seems like it's going to fit quite a bit. And it's got one zipper compartment. And here is where the little authenticity thing is. Yeah, it is so cute. So it's got the brown lambskin all along here and the front, and the inside is all lined in leather, which is nice. And yeah, so the chain can be doubled up like this, or you can pull it through, and it can go crossbody on me. I'm 5'4". If you're really tall, it might be quite a short crossbody on you, but on my height, it worked crossbody. I did try it on that way. But I think it's cute as a shoulder bag too, just with the chains doubled up. Yeah, it is so cute. I think it's going to be so nice for fall and winter. I have never had a Shearling bag, and I've always wanted one, and this one just really kind of stood out to me. So I think the mini would be really cute too, but I didn't get a chance to see that, unfortunately. Anyway, I'm going to keep this video short. Let me know what you think. Do you like the Shearling bags this season? I know there's also a Deauville in Shearling. And I think there's Shearling coats coming too, so lots of Shearling in this 24K collection. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this type of video, please consider subscribing and also following me on Instagram. My handle there is FashionJunkie33. Thanks again, and have a great day.